dia memeriksa brake. Hi, my name is Muhammad Syafiq bin Abdul Dalib.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Badrin bin Syamsul Haimi.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are doing project assignment which is motorcycle servicing brake system.
Okay.
Okay, first step to service the brake fluid. First, we must loosen the screw of brake fluid reservoir. Brake fluid reservoir cap. This is diaphragm. Diaphragm. Okay. Open the bleeder cap. Then we unloosen the bleeder screw. And you will see the brake fluid flow through this bleeder screw. First step, we loosen the screw. Screw of brake hose. Screw of brake hose.
Boleh je cakap. Isi je.
And we can see all the brake fluid
Flow out.
from this foot hose.
Okay.
Loosen the caliper screw.
Tak. Kau dapat yang itu ni. Kita untung dia punya brake fluid kau. Dia terus tekan. Ketuk hammer je macam dah.
Impact, pakai impact ke?
Dia pakai impact.
Dia tak pernah buka.
Okay, next step, remove the brake caliper from brake caliper holder. Okay, this is a brake caliper for front brake caliper. We can see this is a Brembo brake caliper from 135LC. So sexy. Okay, you can see the Brembo brake caliper has two pistons with 4 ports. You can see here inside two piston 4 port 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Okay, the next step, we want to remove this screw to see the brake pad.
Okay. Yes.
Rantai.
This is a brake pad.
So
To remove,
how to remove?
the another one is just
We use the flathead screwdriver and we push from the side. You can see other side of brake pad.
So this is the brake pad.
after that we will clean the brake caliper to make sure no dust and moisture to make the brake perform more.
Perform increase.
Our first condition after remove the brake caliper from the caliper holder.
Okay. Dekat sikit.
You can see the little bit of rusting and effect of oil.
Yes.
See?
So this is our process to remove the oily and the rusty. So this is the cleaning process. As we can see,
We use the brush.
we use brush and this WD-40 to remove the
Clean
oily.
all the
Yes.
Okay, this is the condition after we already clean. As you can see, no dust anymore.
And no oily anymore. oily and dust already removed. And so this is our service.
Condition like new. Memang.
Okay, we use brake caliper, which is electronic brake caliper, to measure the brake pad thickness.
Okay.
Before use this, we push button on off, and we calibrate this
To zero.
to 0. Okay. Okay. First, we take 3 places to measure the brake pad. Okay, like this. Okay, the first measure is 3.54 mm. And measure the other pad. This kalau di 0, calibrate to 0.
Then
Auto ni ni? Yes. Auto ni lah. IPad.
okay.
2.89.
Okay. Okay. Then this is our next process, which is we have to insert back the brake pad into the brake caliper. So as we can see, one of them are already installed. Then we have to install the other one. So this is the process. Tolak pakai tu. Okay then. So this is the final result of our installment. As you can see, this is a Brembo with
Latest edition.
yes. So next, the process we have to install back the brake caliper with brake pad into the brake disc. So this is the process. Arif will assist you. So we have to install the screw back, the guide screw back. So this is the process that we tighten the screw using the Allen key. We have to install back the brake hose screw.
Very powerful.
Yeah, very new.
And we have to install back the bleeding screw into the brake caliper.
And now we can start to bleed this brake system.
Yes. So then we are using Yamalut, which is dot 4.
Which is
Half.
which is half height boiling point, then dot 3.
And that three.
We pull to the
Brake reservoir. Brake fluid reservoir.
Nak aku pump.
Okay.
Kami duduk lah.
We have to pump the brake fluid until it flow down to the brake caliper using the brake hose. As we can see, we can feel the force when we try to use the brake.
When we press the brake.
Yes.
So we tighten back the brake fluid cap screw.
Okay.
Abang ada nak yang boleh.
And the last process, we have to insert back the cap, needle cap. So this is the last process. We have to try the performance of our brake after the service. So, okay, ngam. Lagi. Okay, ngam.
rancak berdosa.
Mama Rasyad berdosa.